Hey everyone, how's it going? This is TJ and today I'll be sharing my thoughts on the all new Apple Watch Series 6. Before diving into it, let's check out this unboxing. So Apple is literally cutting out of the luxury of the materials they used to provide. Like as you can see, they are now using paper sleeve to ship the watch, and to be honest, it was really bad. It's really difficult to pull out the watch from that sticky paper. Whereas previously they used to provide soft sewed sleeve. This time around we also won't be getting any power bricks, just the charging cable. Alright, so the key difference in the new Apple Watch is the addition of blood oxygen sensor. That too is not medically approved, so don't rely on it particularly. Apple has also improved the always on display this time around. It is 2.5% more brighter than the Series 5. As you can see from this clip, when I move to the areas where the light is more, it shoots up the brightness level, and where the light is less, it turns off the brightness. With the addition of new chipset called S6, Series 6 is more faster than Series 5, but you can barely notice the difference. That's it, these are the only changes, unless you are not crazy about the new color options Apple is offering, or else I don't see any need for you to upgrade this year. So you may be asking, TJ, I am in the market for the new Apple Watch, which one should I get? Luckily, you have much more options this time around. If you are new to the Apple Watch and don't own any of the series, go with the Apple Watch SE. But if you are on Series 1 or 2 or maybe 3, then to opt for the SE. It's a great watch minus the sensor like ECG and blood oxygen. It has the new design like Series 4 and the chipset from the Series 5. It is also much faster and snappier. If you are on the Series 5, great news, don't upgrade. You are good for one more year. And if you are on Series 4, then and only then, if you feel the need of new Apple Watch, go for the Series 6. Or else if you just want the always on display, get the Series 5. Since Apple has discontinued it, you might get some great discounts on it from the other retailers. Alright guys, that's it. There is not much to talk about the Series 6 since there are not much more changes from Series 5. Alright, I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to like this video and I'll catch you in the next one.